Hey, girlfriend. So if you're wrapping your hair and you're running out of headband to wrap on, don't worry. This headband's designed to fit super long hair. We just have some tips to share that'll help you get it on. So what you're going to do is pause for a second. And just like you would push up like your sleeve, a long sleeve shirt up your arm, you're going to just push the hair up the headband. So it'll make more room for you to continue wrapping. Now, another tip is that if you still need more room, instead of wrapping downwards like we are normally with each wrap touching the last, you're going to just rewrap around the last wrap. So what I mean by that, here's one wrap. Now this second wrap is just going right over that last wrap, right over that last wrap, right over that last wrap. So you're just rewrapping in the exact same section of hair that you just wrapped instead of going downwards. And with those two tips, you'll have plenty of room to fit all your hair on your headband, just secure with the scrunchie, and you're good to go.